bits. Did your HP laptop stop booting after installing a new SSD? And instead of Windows, you see Blancco Asset Bootable report. After installing a new SSD, many HP laptops fail to boot because the drive is empty with no Windows, so the laptop cannot find the operating system. Blancco is a software used for secure data wiping and hardware testing by manufacturers like HP and by IT companies. Blancco appears because the new SSD has no Windows installed. When the system does not find an operating system, there are two methods now to boot laptop. First method is using the boot menu. Turn on the laptop and press the escape key repeatedly. Then press F9 to open boot device options. Select your USB flash drive and start Windows installation. And yes, your bootable USB is already inserted, right? Second method is BIOS settings. Turn on the laptop, press escape and press F10. Go to boot options, enable USB boot, move USB to the top of the boot order, save settings and restart the laptop. You are there. Blancco will disappear after installation of Windows. If it helped you, like and share, subscribe to the channel for more tech fixes, and comment below if you face any problem. Have a good day.